New Pokémon Snap is a 2021 on-rails first-person simulation video game developed by Bandai Namco Studios and published by Nintendo and the Pokémon Company for the Nintendo Switch. It is a sequel to the 1999 Nintendo 64 game Pokémon Snap. Announced in June 2020, it was released on April 30, 2021. Players travel in the Lental region using an on-rails hovercraft and research Pokémon by photographing them. In New Pokémon Snap, the player is a Pokémon photographer who visits various islands in the Lental region to help the research studies of Professor Mirror and his assistants Rita and Phil. Todd from the original Pokémon Snap makes an appearance in these games. The research lab located in the Lental region is called the Laboratory of Ecological and Natural Sciences. Taking photographs helps the player build a compendium called a photodex. The game features over 200 different Pokémon for the player to photograph. In addition to adding photos to the photodex, the player also helps investigate the Illumina phenomenon, where Pokémon and plants appear to have a special glow. For each research expedition, the player travels in an on-rails hovercraft, the Neo one, to safely photograph Pokémon in their natural environments. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.